Let's address the persistent problem, your Fitbit Inspire 3 disconnecting. This issue primarily stems from Bluetooth connectivity problems, such as Wi-Fi and microwaves, low battery levels below 20%, outdated firmware or app versions, and even the distance between your Fitbit and paired device, like your phone. We'll explore solutions to tackle these root causes. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's cover the basics. First, ensure your Inspire 3 has sufficient battery charge. A low battery can trigger disconnections. Next, perform a soft reset by holding the button on your Fitbit for 10 seconds. This often resolves minor software glitches. If that doesn't work, try restarting your smartphone or tablet and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. This will refresh the connection. Outdated software is a common culprit behind disconnection issues with your Fitbit Inspire 3. Start by opening the Google Fit app and checking for any available updates for both the app itself and your device's firmware. A recent firmware update, version 1.8.2 from December 2025, specifically addressed Bluetooth stability problems. Keeping your software current ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements, which is critical for addressing software glitches. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is shared with Wi-Fi and other wireless devices. This shared frequency can cause interference that disrupts your Fitbit Inspire 3 connection. As shown in this frequency diagram, the 2.4 GHz band has limited channels, and interference occurs when multiple devices compete for the same space. Common sources of interference include microwaves, which emit strong signals on the 2.4 GHz band, and other wireless devices like routers or nearby Bluetooth gadgets. Try moving away from these sources of interference. Even a few feet of distance can significantly improve your Bluetooth connection. Ensure there are no physical barriers like walls, furniture, or even your body between your Fitbit and phone, as these can block Bluetooth signals. Removing obstructions allows a clear line of sight for better connectivity. Sometimes, simply repositioning your phone can improve connectivity. Try placing it in a different pocket or location relative to your Fitbit. If interference persists, consider using Bluetooth boosters or signal extenders. These devices can strengthen the Bluetooth signal between your Fitbit and phone. Check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure the Fitbit Inspire 3 is properly paired and connected. If issues persist, disable and re-enable Bluetooth on your phone, then repair the Fitbit. In the Google Fit app, verify that your Fitbit is linked to your account and syncing is enabled. Also, check for app permissions to ensure proper access. If basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the disconnection issues with your Fitbit Inspire 3, you may need to try more advanced solutions. When all else fails, consider performing a factory reset of your device. However, be aware that a factory reset will erase all data stored on your Fitbit, including your activity history, personal settings, and any synced data. It's crucial to back up any important information before proceeding. To initiate a factory reset, start by opening the Google Fit app on your smartphone. This is the primary app for managing your Fitbit device settings. Once in the app, navigate to your Fitbit device settings. Look for the option labeled Factory Reset. This will clear all data and restore the device to its original factory state. Following the factory reset, you should reinstall the Google Fit app on your phone. Start by uninstalling the current version from your device, then download and install a fresh copy from your app store. This clean installation helps eliminate any potential software glitches or corrupted files that may have been causing the disconnection problems. A fresh app ensures optimal compatibility with your Fitbit device. Finally, follow the app setup instructions to pair your Fitbit Inspire 3 as a new device. This will establish a fresh connection and allow you to restore your backed up data if needed. Many users have found solutions through community forums. One case study involved a fitness enthusiast who documented improved connectivity after updating firmware and adjusting Bluetooth settings, achieving an 80% improvement in their connection stability. Another user group formed a disconnection diary, to identify patterns, discovering that disconnections often occurred during high-intensity activities. The future of Fitbit connectivity looks promising, with trends pointing toward improved Bluetooth technology and AI-optimized wearables. Google plans to integrate next-gen Bluetooth 6.0 in future models, promising fewer disconnections. Experts recommend proactive maintenance, such as weekly app updates. Until then, implementing the troubleshooting steps outlined in this video should significantly improve your Fitbit Inspire 3's connectivity.